to another video. We got raw Ridgid new tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools to make more tool review videos. First of all, I just want to give a quick shout out to Josh and Stand the Man for helping out the channel, letting us know of the new tools, new tool deals. So we got Ridgid new tools. I'll see if I can link the link down below for you guys. We got a whole bunch of new tools. As you guys see, this is a new line. If you guys notice something, we're not seeing the octanes anymore. All we're seeing is this. Is it like a Power Max or Max Out or something like that battery? So that's the brand that we're seeing. We're gonna go and look at the tools one by one. Let's see here. We got 18 volt grease gun. We got item number R860445B 179. It's a nice grease gun there. All right, you got let's see here, coming spring 2021. Yep. So we got 18 volt brushless 21 framing nailer 329. It's a really nice nailer there. Brushless. So the batteries are 4 amp hour max output lithium 18 volt batteries. That's the name of the batteries that they have. Got an 18 volt brushless 30 degree framing nailer 329. And you got an 18 gauge brad nailer 199. It's a really nice brad nailer here. And then we got a 1/2 inch hammer drill 139. So this is like, these are more compact than the other ones that they used to have. Same thing with this. Yeah, these are more way more compact. You got the 3-speed impact driver. You got the reciprocating saw 169. Looks nice. No orbital action, I guess. Maybe it does here. Yep, it does have on and off orbital action. Got the integrated rafter hook. 20% faster cutting. 1 1/4 stroke length. So it's not a bad little saw there. You got the oscillating multi-tool 129. You got a tool-free blade change. Variable speed dial. 15-inch lighter weight, powerful brushless motor. You got the 1/2 inch drill driver. Maybe this is not a hammer drill. Got powerful brushless motor, maximum performance, longer runtime, 1800 pounds of torque, 1/2 inch ratcheting metal chuck. And these are the batteries that I was telling you guys. You got the max output, more power, more runtime. $99 for a 2 amp hour, and then $119 for 4 amp hour. Which is $20 difference. I would definitely go for the 4 amp hour. You got a 6 amp hour 139 and an 8 amp hour 169, which is not a bad deal there. You got a dual port charger, $99. It seems like you can put another plug on the back of this, so it doesn't take a plug. It says wall mount design, now eligible for LSAA. Simultaneous charging, charges 2 batteries in 30 minutes. Got a 6-port sequential charger 129. Sequential charging, 6-port charging capability, wall mount design, now eligible for LSAA. 7 1/4 circular saw. It says powerful brushless motor, 20% more runtime, more power. 5,500 RPM, 56 degree bevel capacity. It looks like it does have for the vacuum here an attachment. You got the 1/2 inch mid torque impact wrench 179. 650 pounds of breakaway torque, 3 speeds, auto tiny more friction ring, powerful brushless motor. $249. You got the 1/2 inch impact high torque impact wrench. 1,300 pounds of breakaway torque, 3 speeds, auto tiny mode, friction ring, power brushless motor. Got the subcompact brushless one-handed reciprocating saw 129, 3000 SPM, 7/8 stroke length, lightweight compact design, powerful brushless motor. Got the 3/8 right angle drill, powerful brushless motor, more compact right angle drill solution, 375 pounds of torque, 1900 RPM. Got the subcompact brushless 6.5 circular saw. This is the smaller one, 139. 5,000 RPM, up to 50-degree bevel capacity, lightweight design. You got the Bluetooth speaker, $79. Looks really nice. USB charging port, compact battery design. Bluetooth connectivity up to 100 feet. Premium sound quality. You got the job site radio. This is the bigger one, 129. Looks really nice. Bluetooth AM/FM radio, IP54 water dust resistant. Bluetooth connectivity up to 100 feet. Premium sound quality. $39.97 a work light. Integrated. You got 340 lumen, 335 pivoting head, belt hook and compatibility. You got a stick lights, $49.97. 270 rotating head, integrating hanging hook, 180 pivoting head, 800 lumens. So this one's more powerful than the other one. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.